Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I did a video on GILT satellite networks here. Looks like on the 18th, a couple weeks ago. Then it was, let's see, right in here, so about 7:32, 7:38. I had some good comments on this one, saying it was very useful. Thanks. You were right on this one. I'll leave that link in the description. But I totally screwed up on this one. As you can see, I don't have any shares of this one. I made a video about it. I put it on a watch list and somehow forgot about this thing. And it's just tripled in price since I talked about it. I'm kind of pissed at myself, but that's hilarious. But anyway, I mean, even over the last week, it's 36%. Ever since I talked about this one, it's just exploded. In the last month, it's over 210%. I'd be happy to get in it right here now. So hopefully it dips again. But so the comments ambush. So if you're listening to this one, I'll link it, and maybe you can listen to this one too. But yeah, I was right on this one, but stupid ass me didn't buy any of it. So that's hilarious. But well, that's how my channel got its name. So I'm not perfect, and I'll make a video about one and forget about it and have it on a watch list. And I was too tied up in MJ stocks and the GameStop, all that action, and totally spaced this one off. And I just looked at this one last week and just got pissed at myself because it had doubled or tripled in price. But if you don't know what this one is, it's in the provision of broadband satellite communication and networking solution and services that operates through the following business segments. And you can pause the video and read that there for yourself, or just look up the ticker on Robinhood. If you're looking to get rid of Robinhood, I have several links in the description. Feel free to help yourself, whether it be Webull, Doe, or Moomoo. You can get a free stock on all those, or even Firstrade. Ticker is GILT. Been around since '87, $1.25 billion market cap, and that's went up since I did my first video. I'd have to go back and watch that one and see what the market cap was then, but I'm still pissed that I didn't buy any of this one. So anyway, some good info came out about it on Thursday. Gilat shipped initial Aero Modems out of a multi-million-dollar potential in China. And so it still could be a buying opportunity to get into this one. I'm definitely going to get into it. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice, but you can go ahead and watch my other video. Is at $7.32, and now you see it's up to 21. Plus, this has a pretty decent, juicy dividend. So, anyway, the Aero Modem K-band IFEC to be installed on an entire fleet of First Chinese airline and non-additional domestic airlines. Gilat Satellite Networks, a worldwide leader in satellite networking technology solutions and services, announced that Gilat has shipped initial Aero Modems out of a multi-million-dollar potential in China. A leading Chinese system integrator to install Gilat's Aero Modem for the K-band in-flight entertainment and connectivity system on the entire fleet of the first airline in China and on additional domestic airlines. So that's kind of a catalyst. You can read it for however you read it, but that kind of tells me there's a good catalyst that this could still keep running up. So, and hopefully ambush the comment. Hopefully you bought some. So stupid me didn't. So the IFEC onboard first aircraft is already operational, providing commercial service with remarkable performance enabled by Gilat's Aero Modem Taurus, the Chinese airline, and its first fleet of a potential of 3,500 commercial aircraft operating in China. So the way this one's ran in the last, we'll just call it a month. I made the other video on the 18th, so we'll just call it a month. I mean, it's almost tripled. This could be a $50 stock in no time, the way it's going. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. I'm just throwing an opinion out there. If you have this one, go ahead and leave a comment in the description and how many shares you have and what your cost basis is. It'll probably make me kick myself even more, but it's always nice to know. But Gilat is one of the most appreciative of the close partnership with the Chinese integrator, a joint effort of ramping up the airline's fleet of aircraft with Gilat proven Aero Modem Taurus, said 1C China country manager for Gilat. We are pleased to see the in-flight connectivity business moving forward in China and look forward to equipping additional airlines with Gilat's high-performance Aero Modem, enabling passengers an excellent IFEC user experience. This kind of goes over about what Gilat's about. And feel free to pause and read that for yourself. It's basically a global provider of satellite-based broadband communications. Feel free to pause and read the rest for yourself. Again, this is on Yahoo Finance. Back to Reddit. There's a little bit of chit-chat about this one. Nothing really recent. 7 hours ago, that doesn't really tell us anything. A month ago. See what StockTwits has. Of course, there's Bezos. I think his company is Blue Origin. I think that's right. If I'm wrong, correct me in the comments. So I know he stepped down from Amazon, and he and Elon Musk, I don't think they get along. Of course, they're the two richest people in the world, and of course, they're probably both alphas, and they are probably trying to outdo the other. And so he stepped down from Amazon and is working on his, I think it's Blue Origin is what his company is. So there you can kind of see some of the satellite uptrend, 50-day moving average. So yeah, you can say that again. It's really been moving up, and it could keep moving up. So I'm definitely got this back on my radar, and hopefully pick up some shares soon. Probably Tuesday, because tomorrow's President's Day, so everything's closed tomorrow. Gotta like that Al Bundy action there. Start going up hard and in step. Shysters to advertise their stocks. Looking to get in this long term. I totally agree with that. That's why I made the video, because I was looking to get into a long term. I still am, but that was a brilliant move to make a video and didn't buy any of it. So, but anyway, we fall forward instead of backwards, and I don't know why tip ranks don't have any. I thought they did, but obviously not. But you can see. And this one has earnings coming up on the 16th, so, well, that is Tuesday, so we'll see what happens there. So maybe I will get my dip and I can buy some. So, again, like I pointed out, it's got several different good things about it. It's got growth going on, it's got the dividend that's pretty decent, and it's got earnings coming up. So we'll see if it takes a dip or if it shoots up some more. So if it shoots up some more, I don't know what I'm going to do with this one. Might just have to bite the bullet and get into it. So if this is going to be a long-term play for me, well, you could have got in it for the short term here and got into it for a month and tripled your money, but I didn't. So, but I'm looking at it for a long-term play. You can see it was just kind of trading kind of sideways and just going up pennies by the day, but now it's just taken off. So I think this one's catching some steam in regards to SpaceX and Blue Origin and 5G and everything out there. So this one's got a lot of good catalysts with it. But just wanted to do an update, and I'll link the other video in the description. That one was made on the 18th and had some good comments on that one. So if you haven't hit that like button, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as the subscribing, and hit the bell so you're notified of when my next videos come out. And again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.